In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ClickUp Chrome extension. This extension lets you turn what you're looking at online into organized, actionable work in ClickUp without leaving your browser. We'll walk through installing it, creating tasks from web pages and emails, capturing screenshots, and using time tracking so you can stay focused and keep everything in one place. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp Chrome extension. In the results, look for the Chrome Web Store listing for ClickUp. Open it, then select Add to Chrome and confirm. Once it's installed, you'll see the ClickUp logo in your toolbar. Pinning the icon makes it easier to access while you work. Now, let's turn any web page into a task. Open a page you want to capture, then click the ClickUp icon in your toolbar. Choose Create Task. Give your task a clear name. Choose the list, folder, or space where it should live, and optionally, set a due date, priority, and assignee. When you hit Save, the task is instantly added to ClickUp with a link back to the page you were viewing. This is perfect for turning articles, research pages, or online forms into actionable to-dos without breaking your flow. You can also save text and screenshots. Click the extension, choose Screenshot, then select Area. Drag to highlight exactly what you want to capture and save it. This is great for grabbing a portion of a page, a bug, or a design detail. From there, you can attach the screenshot directly to a task, either a new one or an existing task, so the context stays with your work. If you live in your inbox, the extension makes turning emails into tasks simple. Open an email in Gmail or Outlook, then click the ClickUp icon inside the email or in your browser toolbar. Convert the message into a task. The email subject becomes the task name, the email body fills the description, and attachments are automatically included. Choose where the task should go and, if helpful, add a due date, priority, or assignee before saving. Finally, if time tracking is enabled in your workspace, you can start or stop a timer right from the extension. Track time while browsing or researching and keep accurate logs tied to the task you're working on. That's it. With the ClickUp Chrome extension installed, you can create tasks, capture context, organize email, and track time, all without leaving your browser.